Hey guys, what's going on? Well, for all those who have written and waited and wondered, I finally got a shipment of these in. These are the Snap-on truck sets in white. I got 3 of them, actually I got 5. I'm still holding one for a guy that is a real nice guy. He's got some health issues with his parents and he's taking care of them, so I'm holding his. And if he watches this, buddy, it's going to be here, you know, for as long as you need it. But I got these 3 in. I've got one other one, so I've got 5. One is for me, one is for my buddy, and these 3 are going to be sold. They're going for, I'm thinking $180, and they're worth every penny. These things are really hard to get. Let me put this down. I'll open one. They're brand new in the box. In fact, this is the first time I've taken them out of the box. Let me see if I can't find one that's a little easier to open than another. I'll read the specs to you here. The die-cast roof lifts off. This is a 132 scale. It weighs 4 pounds. It's a Freightliner. It's made by Snap-on. It's made by the good folks Crown Premiums for Snap-on. It's licensed by both Freightliner and it's licensed by Snap-on, who commissioned Crown Premiums to produce it. Crown Premiums makes the most detailed Snap-on items for Snap-on collectors of any other maker. I'm really lucky to get these in. I think $180 is a fair price for them. These are brand new in the box. They come with a little accessory kit. You can see the mirror is in place on these, so the shipment was well taken care of. Open her up real easy. I do have truck sets in chrome, but these white ones are what everybody's after. Has never been opened, actually. Still got the tie downs. You're looking at a beautiful truck. And I mean, you want to talk about detail, you ain't gonna get much better. Right down to the tools on the dash. I take PayPal. It's got a really nice engine in it. And once these are gone, they're gone. I've waited a long time to get these in. You can see the detail on the grille, the headlights. This is a bank. Right here is a battery compartment, and it works off of a slide. So what you do is, for your external power, slide this out and you've got a battery compartment. Everything tan painted. In fact, let me read the specs because they're really well worth going over. I'll open this up first. The roof slides off. The lift gate I really don't want to open, but I'm going to go ahead and pop this one down. Lift gate slides down. Goes down to the ground and it's got a step. Door opens. Oh man. You open the door. And you've got the interior that we're just getting ready to open. Let me turn it over on the other side so you can see it. Got your air conditioning unit on top. Got your antenna. Detail, detail, detail. 4 pounds. Does that say unleaded fuel only? It's beautiful. Mud flaps. And the bank is right here. This does come with a parts pack, which is very useful. Open this up real gently here. Ha, there we go. You want to see the roof detail? Look at all these. This is my thumb. Can you imagine somebody actually decaling all this? Painting all this? You've got your fan unit, all the tools up on top. It's incredible. I've got one of them that I'm going to keep a hold of, and like I said, I'm holding the other one. It's brand new in the box from a buddy who's. I hope your parents are doing all right. I know you're going through a tough time. Thoughts are with you, buddy. Got your dome light. Excuse me. Got your dome light. Go ahead and set this down real gently. Well, let's check in here. You can see the guys inside. Die-cast roof lifts off to expose an incredibly detailed interior. The interior includes over 200 parts, representing thousands of Snap-on products. There's a Snap-on dealer and a customer figure in scale. Working suspension, rotating axle shaft, an accurately replicated chassis. And believe me, it is. It's assembled from over 300 parts with 150 hand decorating operations. Die-cast tailgate folds down, as you see. Rear door opens to access the interior. Got a rubber diamond plate textured mat in here. It's just wicked. Let's see. Take my eyes down to mess with the camera, and then I can't get back online here. Accessories include a dealer bucket cart, packaged hand tools, and a liftgate control device. Liftgate control device accessory plugs into the side of the truck, which you can see right here. And I'm not going to take that out of the parts pack. Let's see. Where was I? Liftgate control device, plugs in the side of the truck. Okay, coin slot hidden in the interior, bank door on the chassis. You've seen the bank door, I'll show it to you again before I'm done. Let's see here, the hood lifts up to reveal intricately detailed engine. Step folds open to reveal the battery compartment. Driver's side door opens to view the interior. Battery compartment slides out. It's got rubber tires. It's 11 inches in length. This is a big truck. You want to see the detail of all the tools? You've got the dealer and the customer with the Snap-on logo here. Customer checking out the tools. You've got little model cars here. You've got a miniature diorama. You've got Snap-on logoed tool chests. You've got tools, all kinds of tools in here. Look at them all the way down to the floor. Snap-on air tools. You've got a mini cabinet. Looks to me like some booklets here. Tools even in the back. Let's turn it over. On this side, more items. These replicate the real truck. Let me see if I can't zoom in on this. I think I can. I think I can. Autofocus. Come on, you. Tiny, tiny parts. You've got a bulletin board. Try to zoom in, my camera works not the best, so gee, my hand will not. You got Crown Premiums there. And you've got the, what's that say? Garage diorama. You've got a whiteboard. A vise. Snap-on tools. Focus camera. You've got sunglass dispenser. At least I believe that's what it is. Could be a paper towel dispenser, but it looks like sunglasses as well. Got a cash register. I believe, yeah, this actually opens. Let's see here. There we go. It's where you put your coins. Close it back down if I can move the vise handle here. Evidently that serves as the lock. On the interior here. Let's see if I can get a better angle. Oh, let's go ahead and open the door. My hands don't work good with little parts. That's why I'm not really into making those cars that light up. Got tools in a little cabinet there. You got your step. Inside the truck. You're not going to find a truck any more detailed than these are. Snap-on tools. And even behind the driver, they didn't miss a trick. Up front, even more. So you've got a fan for the driver as he drives. Can't zoom in here. Ah, come on, you. Focus. Beautiful. And on the back of the door, that welcomes you. Let's see, as far as the parts packs go, they're in here. I'm not taking them out of the wrapper because well, because they're brand new and there's no point in doing that. They give you a, come on camera, dang it. Nah, I've bad had it with this camera. But they give you a couple spare, you know, spare parts like for the mirrors and things, just in case you need them. With die-cast miniatures, it's nice that they thought of that. They didn't have to do that, but it's cool that they did. You know, I mean, it's inevitably, you know, the little pieces can get a little dinged up, and they've thought about that, and they've included, well, that shuts so nice. It slides back up, and it connects right into place. And on the back, shut this, get that door closed. Close her up tight. Snap-on Racing. One heck of a nice truck. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Snap-on white delivery truck. That's the price. That's how much it's going for. It will be probably on eBay, but you know, if you really want to get a hold of me, and I'd rather sell it off eBay instead of having to mess around with listing fees. But like I said, I got 3 of them. I've been wanting them for a long time, haven't been able to find them anywhere. It's not like these things come around just, you know, every day. They're very difficult to get. And, you know, I was very lucky to get a hold of 3. You know, I was really very lucky to get a hold of 1, let alone 3. But to have 5 of them, I certainly don't need 5. I've sold these in the past, and I've sold them for as much as $240. But I'm not looking to get, you know, get rich off of the things. I'm also not, I know what they're worth, I know how limited number that they are, and I know their value. And they're worth every penny. So if you want one, and you've wanted one, a lot of people have written me about these, that's what they're going to go for. Worth every penny. And if you're into snap-on tools, it's something you'll dig for a long time. A lot of mechanics sit and wait and wait and wait and wait and get a big smile on their face when the snap-on trucks show up to their garages. Now you got 3 of them here. Let's see here. "19 minutes for this. Golly, I cannot make a short video." There's a little parts kit. Now, I haven't seen these guys come out of the truck. I haven't even tried to take him out of the truck. Maybe they come out, maybe they don't. I don't know. They're showing them outside. I guess maybe they do come out of the truck. I've never tried to take one of them out of the truck. But anyway, 3 of them, they're 132 scale. 11 inches long, 4 pounds. These are coin banks. And they are die-cast trucks. Made by Snap-on. Take it easy, guys. You want it? Get a hold of me. They'll be hitting eBay soon, but get a hold of me before that if you really want one. I think I said 180. Oh, and shipping too. Shipping will be actual. Probably around 12, 15 bucks. Anyway, take it easy, guys. Later on.